I want you to now follow me in some very important understanding of how your brain and your nervous system works. What I've learned from 22 years of researching, practicing, and teaching neuroscience and human behavior is that we have an operating system that determines our destiny. Now, who here believes that we have a destiny? I want you to type it in the chat box. Quick, write it down. Don't procrastinate. Write it down. Who believes that we have a destiny? Personally, I don't know if we have a destiny or not. But what I do know, based on proven neuroscience research, is that our beliefs are our operating system, and they are programmed into us between the ages of 0 to 7. I know you've heard this before, but this is so important that you understand this and stay with me right now. That operating system that was programmed into you between the ages of 0 to 7 become the operating system that determines 99% of our lives. Now stick with me, this is so important. Your thoughts are neurochemical events. Those neurochemical events stimulate a part of your brain that's called the hypothalamus. Your hypothalamus releases proteins and peptides that plug into every single cell of your body, which we then call our emotions. Those emotions then trigger our behaviors. Those behaviors trigger our actions. And those actions are what create our results, subsequent experience of life. These results and experiences then control this process, and we start to create the beliefs that we want and start to create a positive upward spiral instead of the negative downward spiral most get stuck in the entirety of their lives. We've all seen it. People are complete victims to their lives, which is actually the operating system that was installed into them. 99% of the content of the neurochemical events that occur 70 to 90,000 times a day for you was programmed into you between the ages of 0 to 7, unless you've done the work to deprogram and reprogram what you want, which is exactly what we're about to do over the next 5 days. This is so important that you understand that this is the cycle of success, or it's the cycle of death. And you right now are at the precipice of being able to change that spiral for yourself. If you simply follow the steps and take the actions, you are guaranteed to achieve the results. We can truly choose to become our own programmers or remain destined to be the programmed. What are you going to choose to do now?